One, two, three.
When the cherry blossoms are in full bloom, there appears a bookshop which apparently serves coffee as well and provides peace to chaotic minds. That forms the premise of a recent novel I read, which is The Vanishing Cherry Blossom Bookshop by Takuya Asakura. Blossom Bookshop by Takuya Asakura. Told over 4 seasons, the book connects the reader to the regrets and sorrows of its 4 visitors and gives you an insight into how the bookshop came to be and what are the conditions that are to be satisfied to be one of the visitors of the shop. Before I tell you my thoughts about the book, I would urge you to read the book for once for yourself, to figure it out for yourself that you connect with it or not. As for me, I connected with some stories better than the others. I think this is the thing with Asian writers, that they write like they're living their everyday life. And while it may give a sense of security to some, thrill seekers like me do not connect to the book a lot. And to be honest, I have read more compelling and more severe sorrows and regrets. So the story feels kind of dragging for me. But I enjoyed the slow pace at which it is written. I enjoyed the pacing. I enjoyed the stories of 4 different people, because it's not like a whole novel at once. It's like a novel cut into 4 different pieces, 4 different stories. So people who are not into reading big novels at once, they can read it. It can be kind of refreshing for them to read it. And if you're trying to get into the habit of reading, I think this novel is for you. It will definitely get you into the habit of reading, because it's an easy read, and at the same time it can act as a palate cleanser as well, because it's very easy to read. You can just put it between your heavy books and it can act as a palate cleanser. So you should definitely read the book on your own. Don't trust my judgment. It's different for everybody out there. Every reader is different, and every reader may find the book in a different light. Every reader may give a different perspective. Some may like it a lot, some may like it a little less, some may not like it at all. So you should grab the book for yourself, grab it today, read it, and for the ones who have already read it, tell me in your opinion in the comments down below. Thank you so much.